Thinking about starting a business in the United States. You've picked the right time and place. With its huge, diverse economy and a culture that celebrates innovation, the US is a land of incredible opportunity for aspiring entrepreneurs. But with so many possibilities, where do you even start? What's going to be the next big thing? Well, you're in luck because today we're diving deep into the future. We've analyzed the trends, looked at market shifts, and compiled a list of 20 of the most promising business ideas you can start in the United States in 2026. So grab a notebook, get ready to be inspired. And let's explore the businesses that could make you the next big success story. First up, an e-commerce platform for niche products. We all know online shopping is king, but the real gold is in specialization. Think about it. Instead of a general store, imagine a site dedicated solely to artisanal coffee from South America, or a platform for custom-made Dungeons and Dragons accessories, or even a marketplace for rare collectible sneakers. By focusing on a specific passion or hobby, you can build a fiercely loyal community. You're not just selling products, you're creating a hub for enthusiasts. This model allows you to target your marketing with laser precision, speak your customers' language, and become the go-to expert in your field. The key is to find a niche you're passionate about, and that has a dedicated, underserved audience. Next, let's get immersive with a virtual reality experience center. VR technology is no longer just for hardcore gamers. It's becoming a mainstream form of entertainment. Picture a physical location where people can escape reality for a while. They could explore the depths of the ocean, walk on the surface of Mars, or battle zombies with their friends. You could offer a library of experiences, from thrilling adventures to educational tours and even artistic creation tools. This isn't just an arcade, it's a destination. You can host birthday parties, corporate team-building events, and even date nights. As the technology becomes more accessible and impressive, a well-run VR center could become the new local hotspot, offering experiences people just can't get at home. Number 3 on our list is indoor farming. As urban populations grow and concerns about food supply chains increase, growing produce right where people live makes perfect sense. Using technologies like hydroponics or vertical farming, you can cultivate fresh, delicious greens, herbs, and vegetables year-round, regardless of the weather outside. Imagine a warehouse in the middle of a city producing thousands of pounds of lettuce, using 90% less water than traditional agriculture, and no pesticides. You can sell directly to local restaurants that crave the freshest ingredients supplied to grocery stores. Or even start a subscription service delivering farm-fresh produce straight to people's doors. It's a business that's not only profitable, but also incredibly sustainable and good for the community. Let's talk personalization with our 4th idea. A personalized subscription box service. People love surprises, especially when those surprises are tailored just for them. The subscription box model is proven, but the future is in hyper-personalization. Forget one size fits all. Instead, use detailed quizzes and AI to understand each customer's unique tastes, preferences, and lifestyle. You could create boxes for book lovers based on their favorite genres, snack boxes for people with specific dietary needs, or beauty boxes curated to their skin type and goals. The more you tailor the experience, the more valued your customer feels. It's about creating a delightful, recurring moment of discovery that keeps them subscribed month after month. Fifth, consider launching a sustainable clothing brand. Fast fashion is falling out of favor as more consumers, especially younger generations, demand transparency and ethical practices from the brands they support. This is a huge opportunity to build a fashion label with a conscience. You can focus on using eco-friendly materials like organic cotton, recycled fabrics, or innovative textiles made from bamboo or hemp. Emphasize ethical manufacturing, ensuring fair wages and safe working conditions. Your brand story isn't just about style. It's about making a positive impact on the planet and its people. Market your commitment to sustainability, and you'll attract a loyal customer base that's willing to invest in quality clothing that aligns with their values. Our sixth idea caters to our furry friends, a pet services marketplace. For millions of Americans, pets are family, and just like any family member, they need care. This creates a massive market for services like pet sitting, dog walking, grooming, and training. An online platform that connects pet owners with trusted, vetted, and reviewed service providers can be a game changer. Think of it as the Uber or Airbnb for pet care. Owners get peace of mind knowing their beloved companions are in good hands, while service providers get a flexible way to earn an income doing what they love. You can build trust with background checks, secure payment systems, and features like real-time walk tracking with GPS. Next up, a mobile app development agency. In today's digital world, almost every business needs a mobile presence. From a local coffee shop with a loyalty app to a large corporation needing a complex enterprise solution, the demand for custom apps is skyrocketing. If you have the technical skills or can assemble a team that does, you can offer a highly valuable service. You'd work with clients to understand their needs, then design, build, and launch a custom app that helps them engage customers, streamline operations, or create new revenue streams. By staying on top of the latest mobile technologies and design trends, you can position your agency as an indispensable partner for businesses looking to thrive in the mobile-first economy. Let's get smart with our eighth idea. An artificial intelligence consulting firm, AI, is transforming every industry, but many businesses have no idea how to use it. That's where you come in. As an AI consultant, you'd help companies identify opportunities to leverage technologies like machine learning, natural language processing, or chatbots. You could help a retail company implement a personalized recommendation engine, assist a healthcare provider in analyzing medical data, or build a customer service chatbot for an e-commerce store. You're not just selling technology, you're selling efficiency, intelligence, and a competitive edge. This is a high-value, knowledge-based business with enormous growth potential. Number 9 is a personal fitness coaching platform. The wellness boom is here to stay, and people are looking for flexible, personalized ways to get fit. An online platform that connects certified personal trainers with clients for one-on-one coaching is the perfect solution. Clients can get customized workout plans, nutrition guidance, and accountability from a professional, all from the comfort of their home. Trainers get a platform to manage their clients, schedule sessions, and grow their business without being tied to a physical gym. You could integrate features like video call sessions, progress tracking, and a library of workout videos to create a comprehensive digital fitness ecosystem. Our 10th idea taps into the health-conscious consumer, a healthy fast food chain. People are busier than ever, but they're also more aware of what they eat. The traditional fast food model is ripe for disruption. Imagine a quick-service restaurant where the menu is packed with delicious, nutritious options. Think customizable grain bowls, fresh salads, gourmet wraps, and smoothies made with locally sourced organic ingredients whenever possible. You can cater to various dietary needs like vegan, gluten-free, and paleo. The key is to prove that fast doesn't have to mean unhealthy by offering convenience without compromise. You can build a brand that people trust for a quick, wholesome, and satisfying meal. Next, let's go on an adventure with an ecotourism travel agency. More travelers are seeking meaningful experiences that are kind to the planet. As an ecotourism specialist, you would curate vacations that focus on nature, conservation, and cultural immersion. Think guided hikes through national parks, stays at sustainable lodges that run on solar power, or volunteer trips to help with wildlife conservation projects. You'd be partnering with environmentally responsible tour operators and accommodations to offer unique travel packages. You're not just selling a trip. You're reselling an opportunity to connect with nature and travel in a way that makes a positive difference. 12th on our list is an online tutoring marketplace. Education is always in demand, and the digital shift has opened up new possibilities. An online platform connecting students of all ages with qualified tutors can be incredibly successful. A student struggling with algebra could find a certified math teacher for a video session. A college student could get help with an essay from a writing expert, or an adult could learn a new language from a native speaker. The platform would handle scheduling, payments, and provide a virtual classroom with tools like a digital whiteboard. It offers flexibility and access to expertise that traditional tutoring centers can't match. Number 13 is All About Power, a green energy solutions provider. The transition to renewable energy is one of the biggest economic shifts of our time. You can be at the forefront of this change. Your business could specialize in residential and commercial solar panel installations, conduct energy audits, and perform energy-efficient upgrades, or install electric vehicle charging stations. As government incentives continue and technology costs come down, more homes and businesses will be looking to go green. UDB helping them save money on their energy bills while also doing something great for the environment. It's a win-win. For our 14th idea, let's raise a glass to a craft brewery. The craft beer movement continues to thrive, with consumers constantly seeking out new, unique, and locally made brews. Opening a microbrewery with a taproom allows you to create a community hub. You can experiment with different beer styles, use local ingredients, and build a brand that reflects your city's character. The taproom becomes a destination where people can gather, sample your latest creations, and attend events like live music or trivia nights. It's a business that combines science, artistry, and community building.